Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a brand new video for you today, and today I'm cleaning out my fridge. I had a little bit of time in my day, so I decided to clean it out as quickly as I could, section by section. Usually when I clean my fridge out, I like to take everything out, wipe everything down, remove all the old things that are no longer good, things that are expired, things that are spoiling, anything that needs to be trashed. That's what I tend to do. In this video, I didn't do a deep clean like I usually do. However, I did get to clean it to the best of my ability and to my satisfaction, and I did it section by section. I did wipe things down before I actually put them back in the fridge, and I also got rid of items that were no longer good. Some of it you did not see on camera, and most of the cleaning you see. I did remove the bottom tray that was definitely filthy in my mind, so I cleaned that out as well. I changed my paper towel for my containers. I did a lot of stuff. It took me at least an hour to clean this fridge because I was doing other things around the house. However, this is just me cleaning my fridge. I like to do it monthly, and it is something that makes me feel good inside. If you do want to see more about my journey in life, check out all the videos on my channel and subscribe for more.